Cykanikers, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new to this channel, be a part of this family by subscribing and clicking that notification button so that you will be notified in my upcoming videos. So today, we're going to try following PATRICSTARR'S makeup. Ooh! Oh my god. I don't know if I can do it, so I'm a bit nervous, so let's start.
Hey guys, it's Patrickstarrr. Welcome back to my channel. So today I bring you a smoky, dramatic wing with glowy skin and a black lip. I don't know what to call this tutorial, but it will come to me when I'm editing. But nonetheless, this is a dark lip. I have wanted to do a black.
Oh, gray hair. I don't have a gray wig though, but I will try my best. With the makeup.
Hey guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this Benefit Porefessional. I cannot live
Benefit
without this.
Porefessional, I have that.
Not today, Satan, not today. As you can see, as I apply it, my skin turns super. I'm gonna take this Kat Von D Lock It foundation.
I don't have that foundation. I only have Loreal Infallible, so I will be using this one and blend this one using the flat kabuki brush. Sorry, Patrickstarrr.
Love this foundation so much, and it's full coverage, and it is exactly my skin tone. And I'm using this with the Morphe M459 buffing brush, and I'm just.
Okay, I'm done. I'm done with my foundation. Let's continue.
And to further the full coverage theme, I'm going to take full coverage foundation by MAC and highlight the face with it. And this is in the color NC20, and I love using this.
Okay, I also don't have that. I'm so sorry. I'm going to use instead I'm going to use a full coverage concealer to highlight my face.
This is just how I do it. This is just how it goes. I'm gonna take this G2 brush by Morphe. It is like a beauty blender on a stick, and I'm just gonna blend out the
Patrickstarrr is
concealer.
one of my ever favorite YouTuber. If you watch my Q&A video, you will really know how I love Patrickstarrr. I love his works. I super love his work.
And I'm gonna take my trusty ear spun. This is my ride or die. I cannot live without her. She is
lady.
See how much we get along? Yes, God. Oh my God, it is the best. I'm gonna take this shadow called
Okay, so since I don't have that frappe eyeshadow, I will be using just the same color, and I'll be using this as my transition
next,
as well,
I'm gonna take
and combination with
eyeshadow by Anastasia,
with just
and
the same
I rarely
color,
highlight my brow, but today,
but not the same
God
brand.
was just telling me, just go for it, just go for it and highlight that damn brow, because we're gonna go to a party tonight. Next, on that same E40 brush, I'm gonna take this color Cocoa Bear by Makeup Geek. It is a rich color, and this eyeshadow look can be worn literally with everything: a red lip, a black lip, a white lip, a green lip, a blue lip, you name it. This is just a simple smoky eye which can be worn anywhere with anything. So I'm gonna take this dark shadow, I think it's called Hot Chocolate or Beauty Mark by Anastasia. Yes, Beauty Mark, and it is going to go in the outer corner of the eye, and I'm gonna take this like in a V shape. This is the newest palette that I have in my kit. It is the Natasha Denona palette, and I'm taking that on a flat brush by Sigma. And I'm patting this all over the eye. It is a beautiful shimmery champagne color, and I'm going to just pat this all over. Next, I'm going to take this Hot Chocolate Frosty shadow in that same palette and transition that shimmery champagne shade into the dark beauty marked shade on the outer corner. So that goes for the eyeshadows. Next, I'm going to take this Super Fierce wing and wing it out. I'm super happy with the blend of my eye. I'm pretty impressed, y'all. Oh my god. We're going to go for a super wing, and next we're just going to curl the lashes with the Shiseido lash curler. Next, we're going to take the lashes, curl them up to Jesus like we always do with the Benefit Roller Mascara, which is by far my favorite, and take these double stacked mink lashes by Lily Lashes in the style Miami and Monaco. This was such a good combo. I just love stacking old lashes and just making them anew. Next, we're gonna dust off the airspun using the Pro Finish powder. People always ask if I get an ashy look. This is how I prevent that. You see, the ashiness is gone. And I'm gonna contour with the E42 brush by Morphe using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark as my bronzer. This is the best. Oh, I look really orange. But to counteract the orange, I'm going to highlight with a light mineral powder by MAC in the color Light Plus.
For the blush,
really dramatic, Dragalicious look.
For the blush,
this is my favorite blush ever. It is captivating because it's just captivating, and it's by Tarte, the Amazonian clay. And now to snatch my nose, I'm gonna take Hula bronzer and just go right up the sides and snatch it. Next, I'm going to take Cocoa Bear by Makeup Geek and smoke out the under eye because the top is really dramatic, so I want the bottom to be as proportioned to the top. And I'm going to take the mascara Extended Play by MAC, my favorite mascara, and run this on my lower lashes. And on the inner rim of the eye, I'm going to take a chromographic pencil by MAC to widen the eyes for an innocent version look. For the lips, I'm going to take ColourPop's gel pencil in the color Swerve because I want them big lips, y'all. And next, I'm going to take the Tarteist gel or cream gel liner and use this as my lipstick because I could not afford a liquid lipstick that's black. So this completes the finish look.
Okay guys, so this is it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye. Paano ba? Paano yung hair? Pangit ng hair ko today.